Hello friends, welcome to Serial. We are here for another tutorial number 7. So I have created two 3D geometry here. We will see here project 3D element command in sketch. I will show you before moving forward. I will show you that command where it is. So this is the one container that is 3D geometry. You see there are three commands: project 3D elements, intersect 3D elements, and project 3D shallow edges. So we will see one by one here. So before using these 3D geometry commands, we should have 3D geometry. Before using these 3D geometry commands, we should have 3D geometries. So we will see this first command, project 3D elements. So before that I will create one plane. So we can create plane in part design workbench. So just exit from sketch. I will exit and I will create one plane with respect to this face. So this is the plane command. I will click here. I will show you how much distance it's taking. So you see this is offset 20 mm. If you want increase size, you can just drag upside, or if you want decrease, just drag downside. So I will give as a 60 mm here. At 60 mm distance I will create one plane. Okay, so one plane is created. You see this is the one plane. Select this plane, select plane and go to sketch workbench. So we are here. Now we will use project 3D element. So it means it will project 3D element in our plane. Wherever you want to project that elements, 3D elements, it will project as a 2D. So let's start how it works. I will show you. I will click on project 3D elements and I will select this face, that is the face of our CAD body, and I will select this plane. It will project our sketch from 3D geometry. So you can edit, modify this sketch as you want. So if you want delete this sketch, I will delete. So you can modify as per your requirement. And if you want use again another operation here, you can use like pad or hole, any operation you want to use, you can use. So this is the one best example for project 3D elements. It will project whatever we have 3D element, and it will project that 2D geometry on the plane, on selected plane. I will create another plane here with respect to this face. So I will just increase my size. This is the 100 mm I will put. Just preview how it looks. So this is the another plane I created, and we will use another command. So select this plane, go to sketch workbench. Now we are in sketch workbench. We will use this command, project 3 shallow edges. So just click on this and click this cylindrical surface. So it will give one warning message. This operation may be subject to algorithmic instability. You should consider your design. Okay, so just click OK. So I will show you how it got created. You see, on this plane, these two edges got created. If you have doubt like why we are not using this first command, what is the difference between project 3D elements and project 3D shallow edges? So if you select this one, so even I will select this plane. See, it is giving one warning message: projection onto the sketch plane failed. The selected element cannot be projected because I had selected this project. So you see, this will not allow to use this command. So here we have created another plane. I will select this plane and I will go to sketch workbench. We will try to use first this project 3D element, then I will explain what is the difference between this project 3D elements and project 3D shallow edges. So if I select this project 3D elements and if I want to project this circular cylindrical shape. You see, it's not even allowing me to select it. It will allow to select this axis, center axis, but it won't allow me to select this cylindrical. Obviously it will allow me to select this surface. If I select this one, it will project on that plane. You see, if I select this face, it will project that 2D geometry, but it's not allowing me to select this circular face. So for that purpose, we can use this project 3D shallow edges. If I select this one, it will give one warning message: shallow edges projection onto the sketch plane flared. The selected surface cannot be projected. So because I had already selected this page, this face, that's why it's giving me error. So I will select new face. I will select this one, circular face. So it will give one warning message: this operation may be subject to algorithmic instability. You should reconsider your design. Okay, so you see these two edges got projected on this plane. These two edges projected on this plane. So there is the main difference in between project 3D elements and project 3D shallout. So project 3D shallout edges will allow user to project 3D geometry like cylindrical or conical, and if you use this project 3D element, so it will allow only these flat faces. It won't allow circular or cylindrical. Thank you guys. We will meet in another video. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.